Station, this is Houston. Are you ready for the event?
And Houston Station, we're ready for the event.
Weather Channel, this is Mission Control Houston. Please call a station for a voice check.
With the snow, 41 in Boston, your temperatures actually come up this morning. Take you over here into Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Missouri, the Quad Cities, up into Wisconsin. Look at these temperatures in the teens, but Chicago, we're at 33. That cold air has yet to get here in Chicago, but it's very...
This is Weather Channel. Do you hear me?
The snow are coinciding, and so when it comes in, it's going to snow.
And Weather
Station,
Channel,
this is Weather
International
Channel.
Space
How
Station,
do you
we've
hear
got
me?
you loud and clear.
Snow in Chicago is our forecast. We've upped it just a little bit this morning. 6 to 10 for
Weather Channel, International Space Station. We have you loud and clear. How do you copy us?
Through Saturday morning, we'll get some lake effects.
Do you have Weather Channel Station? This is Weather Channel. Do you hear me?
Chicago, your morning rush completely different than your evening rush. As
Weather
the snow
Channel,
rolls
this is International Space Station. We hear you. We copy you loud and clear.
So heads up on what.
Copy that. Stand by. You'll be speaking. Stand by. You'll be talking with Stephanie Abrams for the Weather Channel. Stand by.
Temperatures that are well below freezing. 22 in Chicago, 24 in Chicago on Saturday, and much of the Great Lakes seeing temperatures at or below seasonal averages. That's your winter weather update. Heads up. Let's head back to the studio.
Mike, we're going somewhere that's very cold right now, into outer space. We've seen some amazing video this year from the International Space Station, including this video of Hurricane Irene that you can see behind me. Just a beautiful sight there. Today, we have the opportunity to talk to the crew of Expedition 30. Joining us live is Commander Dan Burbank and flight engineers Andre Capers and Don Pettit. Thanks for being with us. Commander, you've been on the space station since November. How's it been so far, and what's your current mission?
It's been great, actually. It's been very busy, and we've been busy doing some science. We've also been very busy upgrading the avionics on board the International Space Station.
All right, Andre Kuipers, how about you? What is it like to see? Can you even describe in words what it's like to see Earth from the International Space Station?
Yeah, well, it's of course very special and has different aspects. If you look straight down, it's a very colorful planet with beautiful deserts and beautiful turquoise waters. If you look beside it and you see the blackness of space, then all of a sudden it's a fragile and small planet. So it has a lot of different aspects.
Don Pettit, how long will you stay on the space station for this mission? And how long would you want to stay if you could, they gave you a choice?
We'll be here until the middle of May. And what I would like to do, if the technology were there, would be to immigrate to space. I'd load my family up on the next spaceship and move into space and never come back to planet Earth.
Well, it has been an absolute thrill speaking to all three of you, and enjoy your time up there at the International Space Station. Hopefully one day we'll all be able to join you as well. We certainly appreciate it. How cool is that? We just talked to three people on the International Space Station. I mean, it blows my mind. Let's get away.
Station, this is Houston ACR. Thank you. That concludes the event.
Thank you, Weather Channel Station. Please stand by while we reconfigure video and audio communications.